My name is Honorable Raphael Ibukwe. I'm the Chairman Board of Trustees of the National Forum of Former Legislators. We've reiterated over time that we have brought this suit just in a bid to expand our electoral jurisprudence. And our question is about getting the court to interpret Section 225A. And today, all applications for joinder and applications for stay of proceedings were taken, and the court have graciously adjourned to 18th May to give a ruling on the matter. For those who have applied for joinder, well, we leave that to the court to decide one way or the other. But it's important that people have started getting the importance and what we are asking for. We are not against any political party, and we wish to also correct misinformation out there. This suit was initiated by the National Forum of Former Legislators and not by the Attorney General. The Attorney General is just a party to the suit, is one of the defendants, and anything the Attorney General has sent in, he has sent in as a neutral party. And it will be wrong for that position or the process filed by the Attorney General to be misrepresented. We have only called on him as the Chief Law Officer, who ordinarily should be in charge of implementing the law to be a party to the suit for the court to interpret Section 225A. And all this is all about, do you meet the requirement? And we still put the burden on INEC. INEC in 2020, you deregistered 74 political parties based on this law. Why are you not applying that same law now? Our members are desirous of running for elective positions. They want to be sure of parties that are that have legal standing to present candidates so that they don't go and fly their tickets in wrong parties. And that's all we are seeking for. So if you know you have the prerequisite qualification to continue to exist, we are not challenging registration. We are challenging continuous existence. And there is constitutional threshold, benchmark set for every political party to meet. And we are saying, if you know you meet this benchmark, present yourself, present your records, and that is it. And we owe ourselves a duty to hold public institutions accountable to Nigerians. We are Nigerian citizens. We are an incorporated body. We believe we have the legal right to seek for interpretation of anything we feel concerned about. And that's what we are doing. So we hope for the best. We are happy everybody is coming back on the 18th of May. And the court will have to take it from there. And I think from there, everybody will know his position one way or the other. Thank you very much.
My name is Yakubu A.H. Ruba, a senior advocate of Nigeria. I am counsel to the plaintiff in this matter. We were here on Friday last week, and the matter was adjourned to the day purposely for the hearing of all pending applications. I'm so happy to say today that the learned judge, the learned tribe judge, has taken all pending applications in this matter and adjourned the case to the 18th of this month for ruling and possible adoption of all processes filed for a final determination. He has given that ruling in view of the congested INEC timetable, so that the fate of these 6 political parties, ADC, Accord Party, Action Alliance, Zenith Labour Party, and the other 2 political parties will be determined. The applications taken today is the one of His Excellency, the Governor of Osun State, and also the candidate for the governorship in Ekiti State under the Accord Party. The application for joinder has been taken today, but we vehemently argue that they are not necessary parties to be joined in this matter, for they are duly represented by their political parties. Other parties also apply for stay of proceedings. There are appeal against the joinder of some political parties. That application for stay has also been taken, and the ruling will be delivered on the 18th of May. That's next week, Monday. So, gentlemen of the press, that's what took place today. And there is one issue I would like to clarify. I read it on the social media that the Learned Attorney General of the Federation, some of their report, that has filed counter affidavit to or asking for the registration of political parties. I think you generally should be able to verify your fact. That is not the true position. From the content of what the Lena AGF has filed, is been neutral, and obviously is an interpretation of the Constitution. So I would like to suggest that members of the press should always try as much as possible to verify your fact, and we are so proud of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Issues today before the court was whether, based on the applications we brought, after successful transmission of records of appeal to the Court of Appeal, whether this court can continue with the matter before it. These arguments were canvassed by majority of lawyers on the defending side. And the court has reserved ruling on that. And then there was this issue of gender as to whether, following the application for a stay of proceedings, the court can proceed to take gender. And of course, the court in its wisdom decided that it will listen to all applications. And on our side, we have an application of a gender of an interested party, a sitting member of House of Representatives, which we've told the court that the decision to deregister his political party will definitely affect it. And he is an interested party. And we urge the court to join him in event the court decides to proceed with these proceedings. Mindful of the fact that the decision of the attention of the court has been drawn to an appeal. So these were the issues that were canvassed before the court. And there were other joiners too, of those who had already bought forms as governorship candidates of their political parties in the forthcoming election in Ekiti and Oshun. And they were arguing that, of course, whatever decision the court will make will definitely affect their interests as candidates of those political parties. So these were the issues before the court, and rulings have been reserved. We look forward, and we look forward to the wisdom of His Lordship. Of course, very well we are satisfied because, I mean, His Lordship gave every party the opportunity to present his cases, despite the fact that there are issues challenging his jurisdiction, which he has the right to determine whether he has jurisdiction or not. And he made that copiously when he was listening to the arguments.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm representing Abayomi Arabami in this suit. He's seeking to join as the 9th defendant. We filed an application for joinder, which was argued today, and the court has adjourned its ruling on that application to the 18th of May, 2026. That application seeks to inform the court of the legal right of the applicant seeking to join as the 9th defendant. The applicant is seeking to contest as the governor of Ogun State under Accord Party and intend to cross from his present political party to Accord, but became aware that this suit is challenging his right to freely associate with the political party of his choice, because this suit seeks to deregister Accord as a political party from the list of political parties in Nigeria, and he became aggrieved. Hence, we filed this application to join him. We believe sincerely that the court has the discretion to determine whether or not he should be joined, but we believe that the court will join him, and we await the ruling of the courts on this matter. Thank you.